The top 2 NFTs to buy in 2023. That's what I'm bringing you today. But what I want you to know is a disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for education purposes only. So let's get straight into this. Here's my number 1. So guys, starting with my number 1, My Pet Hooligan. Okay, go over to mypethooligan.com and follow along. But look at this. Already just by going on the website, you can see the incredible graphics and how this is going to play out. Okay, you've got the holograms coming up here. If you want to get on the orange paper, which is their white paper, you come up here and just click on it. The FAQ staking about. So let's have a little look. So this is the game. Okay, you've got these rabbit holes, and I can show you the trailer for this as well. So this is the trailer of the actual game, okay, itself, not just the NFT project. So once you've got that NFT, you'll be invited into this game. Now you can see you're in here, you're trying to be these hooligans, all right, it depends what kind of way you want to go. You get to customize everything with your NFT, okay, the clothing, what you drink, what you eat, everything that you use, your guns, your pistols, anything. It's super interesting, okay. It's going to be a virtual reality VR metaverse. So you put your goggles on and you are one of these. You get to choose whatever instruments you want to use as weapons and go along this metaverse, shooting, joining rebellions, making clans, everything like that. This is actual gameplay. So you can see how this is going to look, right? It's really cool, and that's why it's on my list for number 1. Over on their Twitter is at mypethooligan. You can see they've got 91.1 thousand followers. Just give them a massive follow up top. Okay, you get to see loads of incredible stuff. What I really like is their tweets aren't just normal tweets. They have animated videos like this, getting over 6,000 views. They're getting a lot of engagement on their post, all right? You start to see some incredible things going on this Twitter, so please give them a big follow. Guys, that's my number 1, My Pet Hooligan. Let's jump to what I think the second best one of 2023 so far is going to be. Number 2 on that list, guys, is Neo Tokyo. Okay, the reason this has got an incredible amount of following right now is because it's so secretive. It's got codes, it's got things you need to work out, riddles to get involved with this. Now the website is at neotokyo.code. Okay, you've got your mint and the upload in here, codes interlinked if you want to go through. What is Neo Tokyo? Okay, so it's a collection of VCs, developers, token founders, and overall builders who strongly believe crypto gaming metaverse experiences will take over the world, believing similar to Ready Player One will occur. Okay, so what they actually believe in, aiming to build the crypto gaming Illuminati. So like I said, it's code, it's secretive, it's Illuminati, the Soho house for the future key players in the crypto gaming space. You can have highlights for the efforts, people getting involved. You've got people at NFA, imposters, BYT, massive people in the community. Okay, but more importantly, I want to show you some of what the NFTs are. So they have a store where you can buy actual physical merchandise, but if you go to the digital art section, you'll start to see some of the really cool commissioned art. All right, you've got stuff for your phone, laptops, you've got your own commissioned art as well. Over on their Twitter is at NeoTokyoCode, all right, 132,000 followers. I told you it's going incredibly big in the world right now because of all the secret riddles and stuff that they've got to do, but they've just posted a Twitter post about their mint coming up. Okay, and we're going to talk about that as soon as this webpage loads and show you exactly what they're going to be minting. So here it is, Mint Defense, and it is live right now, okay? Their BYTES, the biggest one they're doing, 2.0 might be 2 weeks away, but Mint Defense is here with us now, ready for citizens to use. So if you haven't got your license yet, migrate from the old version, find out how. If you've already got involved with this, let me know in the comments. If not, here we go. The Mint is going live, okay? This is a revolutionary feature for mass adoption developed by MD. Mint Defense now detects where the user enters their seed phrase on a website. They've got a really cool mission behind the project. They've got very interesting views on how they're going to see this in the future. All you got to do is go to the marketplace, guys. Follow that link down below and start looking for what you want to get involved in. There's loads of stuff, different passes, different riddles you got to figure out, different codes, different NFTs, loads of stuff. But the project is number 2 on my list right now is Neo Tokyo. Do your own research into them because they have flown. They have flown like never before, okay? On their Twitter, you see this link tree, so you can actually go and have a look about everything with their coin, going on Uniswap, okay? Everything about where their Discord community is out of this world. So please get involved. That's all you got from me, guys. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell as well. Guys, if you want to get involved in these projects, please do and let me know in the comments, and I'm going to see you on the next video.